Hey, I'm going to show you how to brew some really good coffee using a Chemex pour over and some very basic coffee brewing equipment. So let's get started. The first thing that we want to do is measure out our beans, and we want 2 tablespoons or 10 grams for every 6 ounces of water. I like to use a scale for accuracy, but you can use a tablespoon as well. Then we're going to grind our beans using our rock coffee grinder. This grinder because it offers really good grind consistency at a really great price point. Next, we're going to rinse out our filter as well as heat up the Chemex. And for this part, you want to have a timer because we're going to bloom our beans for 45 seconds. And what this does is release the carbon gases that accumulate on the bean during the roasting process. And those carbon gases will interfere with the brewing process. So I like to set a timer as soon as I start pouring, and we're going to wait 45 seconds. At 45 seconds, we continue to pour in a circular motion. We want the entire brew process to take about between 3.5 and 4 minutes. So I do a slow pour, and I do this off and on until I reach about 2.5 minutes. At that point, I'll do a faster pour and go ahead and finish it off. We brought our pour up to 340 grams, that's 12 ounces of water exactly. Again, we've got 2 tablespoons or 10 grams for every 6 ounces of water. So for this brew, we did 20 grams of coffee and 340 grams of water. We're almost done pouring and our timer is at 3 minutes and 26 seconds. We're now getting a drip. We're at 3 minutes and 37 seconds, so that's perfect. And there you have it. That's how you brew great coffee using a Chemex basic coffee brewing equipment.